Dumpster rental service in Cape Coral, Florida. Searching for a reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Cape Coral, Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters is your go-to solution. Whether you're handling a home cleanout, a major renovation, or a large-scale construction project, we provide the perfect waste disposal solution tailored to your needs. Choosing the right dumpster size is key to a smooth project. A 10-yard dumpster is great for small cleanouts or yard debris, while our 30-yard container is perfect for construction sites and full home remodels. We offer prompt, same-day or next-day delivery, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our flexible rental periods allow you to work at your own pace without stress. When you're done, we'll pick it up quickly so you can focus on what matters. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for home cleanouts, kitchen and bathroom renovations, roofing and siding projects, landscaping work, and construction debris. Not sure what size you need? Our team is here to help. With expert guidance, we'll match you with the best option for your project and budget. Call Big Dawg Dumpsters today at 743-244-3294 and book your Cape Coral dumpster rental. With fast service, affordable rates, and hassle-free waste removal, we're your go-to solution for keeping Cape Coral clean. Big Dawg Dumpsters, keeping Cape Coral clean, one project at a time.